In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download resume from LinkedIn. If you previously uploaded a resume to LinkedIn for job applications, LinkedIn makes it fairly easy to download that file again once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find it from your LinkedIn account and save it to your device. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on your main feed page. This is the standard home screen you see after signing in. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you a clear path into the section where LinkedIn stores your job application settings and saved resume files. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top navigation area and click on Jobs. This will take you into LinkedIn's job section where you can search for positions, manage applications, and adjust settings related to resumes and application data. After the Jobs page opens, find and click on Preferences. This area contains the settings LinkedIn uses for job-seeking features, including the information you may have uploaded while applying for roles. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or any recent LinkedIn design updates. Inside Preferences, click on Resume and Application Data. This is the section where LinkedIn keeps resumes you've uploaded for job applications. It's useful because it allows you to manage those files without having to re-upload them each time. When you're in the resume area, locate the resume you want to download. Next to that resume, click the three dots. This usually opens a small menu with additional actions for that specific file. If you have more than one resume saved, double check that you're selecting the correct one before moving on. From the menu that appears, click Download. LinkedIn should then begin downloading the resume file directly to your computer or device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, open the file to confirm it downloaded correctly and that it's the version you wanted. That quick check can save time, especially if you plan to send it somewhere right away. And that's it. That's how to download your resume from LinkedIn. If needed, you can repeat the same process anytime you want to access another saved resume from your LinkedIn account.